Welcome to Clamp Champion. Let's see how it works. When it arrives, you'll see a top clamp and a bottom clamp. For your initial use, you're going to want to open and close the top clamp 10 times to make it easier to place your device inside the grips. With Clamp Champion's memory polymer design, you can easily stretch it wide open and shape it back to its original position. Using the thumb tab enables you to adjust to your desired position. Clamp Champion moves and adjusts in many ways for you to be hands-free in any circumstance. To separate the top clamp from the bottom, simply pull down on the release with your thumb while lifting the top clamp. To reassemble, insert the top clamp into the bottom clamp, then pull back the tab and press firmly. Get ready to move your Clamp Champion around and get comfortable!